Can you target fat loss in one specific area? Absolutely not. So basically, the basic principles for fat loss is that first of all, you have to be in calorie deficit. Without being in calorie deficit, there will be no fat loss. Secondly, you cannot target specifically your bum, your abs, or your face. What happens is the fat will obviously burn away slowly, and it'll unknowingly will use fat throughout the body as soon as you are in calorie deficit. So if you just follow on screen here, I'll explain you in details. So for example, if we have a car, it's going to be a very awkward car, but let's say we have this car, and the car has a tank here, and we are going to paint in diesel in green. So this is the diesel. So imagine if this is the fat that sits around all your body. So the tank is all your body. And then you come and say, okay, imagine that this portion of the tank is your abs. And let's say this portion of the bottom over here is your bum. And so if you're having an engine here, so engine is using fuel. So fuel comes from the tank to the engine in order to run the engine. But you cannot say engine, I want you to take this specific fuel, or I'm gonna tell you, take from this lower part of the tank this specific portion of the fuel. So basically what happens is engine runs smooth and it just takes fuel for whatever it comes out. It's the same with your body. You cannot target specifically your abs, your bum, your face, or any other areas of your body. So you have to understand that basic principles. We are coming back to the basic principles. I'm going to say again, you have to be in calorie deficit, and you have to sustain calorie deficit for over longer period of time in order to reduce overall fat in your body. And in that case, some fat might come off your neck, it might come from your armpit areas over here, maybe from your abdominal, maybe for your bum, and overall you'll start losing fat. But there is no one way to target specifically one area of your body.